Hey Twitch, this is huge. The first stream from Benni Knop, Noisy Post here. We are going to be trialing just streaming while we work. I'm really excited about this. My name is Benni Knop. I'm a sound designer, sound editor, re-recording mixer, and I work under the label Noisy Post. I've got a few guys that I work with here, and I have my own beautiful studio. But look, I thought it'd be a great opportunity to just stream while I work, to connect with other sound editors and designers and re-recording mixers and just chat and learn from each other. I can show you some tricks and techniques that I use. But basically, I just want to be able to connect with other people in my industry and share what knowledge I've got. I've got a pretty decent setup here and I've got the equipment to stream. So I thought, why not give it a try? Today is going to be a really short one, unfortunately. Look, I'm not expecting anyone to come online, but I thought it'd be a good intro video just to show you the setup, show you how I'm going to be doing what I'm doing. And yeah, so let's dive into it. So at the moment, obviously you've got full cam here, but we've got a few different setups. So what we're going to do is I've got a setup here that shows off my Pro Tools rig. So the main screen is Pro Tools. We've got a screen down the middle, which is actually my 100-inch projected screen. And so mostly you'll be seeing films like the video and so forth. But if I'm working on something that's maybe music related or something like that, you're going to get meters or whatever else I want to show you. You obviously can see me there as well. And then we've got a full screen version of the projected screen. So if we want to, demo a section of the film or whatever, we can do that. The other thing is I'd love to just show you my studio setup. So this is my setup at the moment. So I've got a 5.1 mixing room that's probably about 5 meters by 4 meters. I've got a 100-inch projector screen there. So I'm running PMC speakers, which I'm a big fan of. They're pretty old now, but they sound phenomenal. I obviously have some artist mixes and I'll be running Pro Tools and Pro Tools Ultimate most of the time, which I will down mix into stereo while you're listening to stuff in 5.1. So I'll explain what I'm doing, but obviously we'll only be able to listen to it in stereo. And I also use the trackball, which I'd highly recommend. I used to get sore wrists all the time, but it really makes a difference. The one thing I actually love, the feature I love the most is scrolling on this thing. You just twist the ball and it scrolls and it feels great. Anyway, so yeah, so really this is just an introduction video, and I just want to show you what's going to be happening. So I'll give you a view of Pro Tools. So what I'll be doing is whether it's music or film or a TVC, if we're doing an ad commercial, you'll get to see what I'm doing, hear what I'm doing, and I'll be able to talk through it. I obviously want you guys to be asking questions on chat as well, and even giving me tips and tricks and workflows that you use, because to be honest, I've been doing this a while, but by no means am I the person to go to. So I want this to be an open dialogue as well. The one thing I have set up as well is you will see key commands down in the bottom of the window as well, which hopefully that'll help you see what I'm doing. But what I'm going to also be doing when I'm mixing is trying to use some of the plugins that are just within Pro Tools to try and keep it simple. So, I'm not using plugins and things that you won't have access to. But obviously there's going to be some that I'm going to be recommending that you have to buy. But, if you're a student or whatever, you'll be able to get student discounts. So I'm just going to play you something here. This is actually a live recording that we did at the start of the year. This is an event called Summer Carnival. It's just a youth event that is run by the Salvation Army. I actually co-wrote not this track, but some of the music from Summer Carnival I co-write. I actually played drums on this. So there's a live kit. There's backing tracks, about 4 or 5 singers. Unfortunately, I don't have the video for it at the moment, but you'll hear the crowd and stuff. So this is just a live performance that we did at the event. But yeah, have a listen, and I'll just show you how we're going to be doing what we're doing. So you'll still be able to hear me, obviously. Let me know if we have any issues with the sound. But let's praise together. We shall know our left behind. Let's praise together. Let's declare this. We dance for the dead or alive. Let's praise together. So stuff I'll be showing you is backing tracks here. So here's your backing tracks. With everything else. So I can show you stuff like, so we got room mics there. Obviously it's hard to hear the kids because it's just so loud musically, but you get the idea. So I'll be showing you over time like different plugins that I like to use. So there's, you know, a bunch of plugins that I'll recommend. Some, obviously I'm doing a lot of just using Pro Tools as plugins and stuff. I've got some UAD here as well. But yeah, so this is basically the gist of what I'll be doing, what I'll be showing you. So yeah, this is the first stream, and I would love it if you guys would follow, share with your friends. I'll let them know that it's coming. So I'm probably going to start streaming from tomorrow. I've got it's a web series trailer that I'm going to be doing everything audio post-wise. So I'll be showing you how to import the project into Pro Tools, how to do all the dialogue editing, how to clean up the project, put it in your own tracks, how to start doing the mixing. It's going to need, I'm sure it's going to need some sound design and other bits and pieces. That's my alarm to tell me I need to get off. But yeah, so I'm going to show you each aspect all the way through. The director's been he's happy for me to share it, so you're going to see it all with picture and from start to finish. So it's exciting, and I can't wait to be sharing with you guys. I can't wait to have some people interacting in the chat. It'd be really exciting. So yeah, this is it. It's been great, and I guess we'll see you soon. Eh?